Hi, I'm Scott Wyman, the Training and Technology Coordinator at Central Texas College. In this video, I'll show you how to update your user profile as well as your emergency information through Eagle Self-Service. As you can see here, I've already logged into Eagle Self-Service. I'm going to assume you know how to log into Eagle Self-Service. If you don't, or you're unsure, you can contact Employment Services at 254-526-1303. We won't be using any of the main options you see here on the main menu. Instead, we will be using the user options icon on the left-hand edge of the window. When you click the user options icon, Eagle Self-Service will open that menu to display two options, user profile and emergency information. When you click the user profile link, Eagle Self-Service will open your user profile. Double check your date of birth, email address, and CTC ID at the top of this screen to ensure it's all correct. Below that, you'll see a statement from Eagle Self-Service asking you to verify all data is correct and up to date. Information to check include addresses, email addresses, and phone numbers. If you need to add a new address, click the Add New Address button. In the Enter Address Details pop-up window, add the street address, city, state, and zip code. If everything is correct, click the Add Address button at the bottom of the pop-up window. I'm not actually going to add any address, so I'll click the Cancel button. If you need to add an email address, click the Add New Email button. In the pop-up window, enter the new email address and click the Add Email button. Again, I'm not going to enter any new information, so I'll click Cancel. Email addresses that you enter can be edited and or deleted from the list. If an email address was pulled from Colleague, you will not be able to edit or delete it. Finally, we have the phone numbers area. Just like the others, if you need to add a new phone number, click the Add New Phone button. In this pop-up window, you can add the new phone number, an extension if applicable, and select what type of phone number it is. When finished, click the Add Phone button. After any new information is added, or once you have verified all existing information is correct, you should click the Confirm button on the right side of each section. Now we'll switch over to the emergency information section. Know that entering emergency information is totally voluntary, but rest assured that any information you enter here will be kept in strict confidence. First in this section, you will see emergency contacts. You should have at least one emergency contact listed in case something happens to you at work and you're unable to provide first responders with this information. At the bottom of this page, you can also enter any health conditions to assist first responders when they arrive on scene. Again, this is totally voluntary and you are not required to enter information in this section. Other information in this section include your preferred hospital, insurance information, and any additional information you feel would be beneficial. Here again, you should click the Confirm button after you have verified this information is correct. After all information has been verified and confirmed, you can log out of Eagle Self-Service. See how easy that was? Well, I appreciate your time. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay happy. I'll talk to you later.